Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Siti Aziza. I want the discuss about Amirul Mukminin fil Al-Hadis and then Ahroja'u As-Sab'ah. The term Amirul Mukminin fil Al-Hadis is honorary the little of highness rank in the field of hadith studies. It is given to scholars who possess extraordinary experience and have narrated the vast number of hadiths. To understand this them in detail, I can be explained through two main aspects. And then number one, in the term expertise, a scholarly express in the hadiths is usually assessed based on memorizing ability, number two, and then measuring in biography of narrators, and C, expensive knowledge of hadith science. Aspect number two, and then in term of quantity, number of narrated hadith, a scholarly work is given the little Amirul Mukminin fil Al-Hadis, and then typically narrated tells 200 of 1000 of hadith, at least developed from the teacher of or two kinds of transmission. Scholars who were given the title Amirul Mukminin fil Al-Hadis, some of the removed scholars who were honored with this title include, and then number one, Imam Malik bin Anas, Yahya bin Ma'in, and then Imam Bukhari. The next topic, Ahroja'u As-Sab'ah. Ahroja'u As-Sab'ah definition. The term Ahroja'u As-Sab'ah, hadith science, means the hadith has been narrated or recorded by 7 major hadith scholars. The word Ahroja'u means has been narrated of include the where their completions. The word As-Sab'ah means the 7 imam, and then who are the 7 imams? The term Ahroja'u As-Sab'ah refers to Imam Bukhari, Imam Muslim, Imam An-Nasai, Imam Tirmizi, Imam Abu Dawud, and then Imam Muslim. Thank you so much for attention. See you next time.